Hello everyone! If you love online shopping, you are in the right place. As a proud TikTok shop influencer, I've rounded up some gems that slid into my DM literally. While this video isn't sponsored, I'm spilling the tea on some of those viral TikTok shop finds. From must-haves that literally enhance my life to trendy steals. We're diving into a host of high-quality, affordable goodies. We're gonna hit the hair tools, the makeup, the skincare, the electronics, and the home products. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's unwrap these trending products together. The first product is the Tymo hair straightener brush. I had a lot of hair brush straighteners sent to me, but this was the only one that did a bomb job on my 4C hair. It heats all the way up to 410 degrees, and even using this on my edges, where it tends to be a lot more difficult for a brush to actually straighten, this actually did the job. I didn't have to go in with my hot comb to hit those areas around my head like I would usually do using a hair straightener brush. So this one did an amazing job. This one is the 60-second heat up, and they do have a newer version that heats up even faster than that. This also has a 30-minute auto shut off feature. Using this on my 4C hair and also on my wigs, it does an amazing job. I did a comparison video showing the Tymo hair straightener brush compared with another brush that I got to see how it pulled out my hair. And there was a huge difference between these brushes, even though they were heated to the exact same temperature. The Tymo hair straightener brush is a timeless one that I would definitely go to for straightening my hair and highly recommend. The next one is the automatic curling wand from Tideway. I love this curling wand. I know there's been a lot of trending options out there, but I really love this one in terms of how safe it is to use because that glass around it does not get hot. The actual top portion of it also is made of a different material, so it doesn't get hot when you touch it. You actually stick your hair in the top part of the tool, hold it steady, and let it wind your hair starting from the bottom all the way up. I also love that it did not pull from the root of your hair, it pulls straight from the bottom up. And with this one, you can get both tight curls and you can get those loose curls. It all just depends on how you turn it. For example, if you want tighter curls, then you hit that left turn, go winding up, and then you hit that same left turn, winding down, vice versa with the right, depending on how you want your curl to fall. If you want those loose curls, you're gonna be hitting the left to wind up and the right to wind down, and then you just flip that depending on which side of the head you're working on. So this one right here, I love styling for my wigs that were much longer. This one did an amazing job, and the tighter curls hold for about 2 weeks. This next one is the Tideway High Speed Blow Dryer. This is the first time I ever discovered a blow dryer that literally dries even my type hair in 10 minutes. Correction, it dried my hair in 9 minutes and I think 40 seconds, but it is a bomb hair dryer. I even put it to the ping pong ball test to see how much pressure actually comes out of this blow dryer. Now, the difference between this one and my other ones, other than the fact that it dries your hair much faster, is that this one doesn't have a comb because of the pressure of it. However, you can use a brush, use a regular comb, just throw that into the routine. I've saved myself between 30 to 40 minutes with this blow dryer during my weekly wash days. I can't talk about these amazing hairstyling tools without giving you guys a heat protectant spray. So the heat protectant spray that was trending and still is and sold out multiple times is the Great Barrier Heat Protectant Spray. I love this one because it has that aroma of Polynesian pink sugar, and it will literally leave your hair smelling amazing, and any room that you're using it in will smell amazing as well. It doesn't overpower your perfumes or things like that, but if somebody got close to you and hugged you, they would definitely smell that on your hair. I love it. And this one also has all that we look for in our heat protectant spray or any hair products. It's sulfates free, parabens free, all that good stuff. And it is in a 40-ounce bottle. The one that is available on TikTok Shop is the travel size version of the Great Barrier Heat Protectant Spray because it keeps selling out. Let's touch on the makeup. I love the 72 color glitter and matte eyeshadow book. It's 3 pages of different types of shadow, and in each page you have what's actually in that color scheme. You can create your eyeshadow look with just 1 page, mixing the glitter and the mattes together. And I did that multiple times in my video. This one is an also much loved product because it is extremely affordable. As of the time of this video, it is marked down to $5. It looks like an actual book, but it's just all makeup. It's long lasting on your eyes and it's nicely pigmented. The next one that was sent to me was the Revolve Soft Hydrate and Set Finishing Powder. This finishing powder actually held my makeup for 6 to 8 hours. It gives a matte, soft finish. Even though this one is translucent, it will give you that bump of color like any finishing powder. Love it because, as the title says, it gives you that matte, soft finish. The next finishing powder that I want to recommend holds your makeup for even longer, and this is the Your Skincare Finishing Powder. Both of these are more on the pricier side. They run from about $35, but this one holds your makeup for about 8 to 12 hours, and it is talc and paraben free. This is my go-to one, especially for events that I might be going to, because I know I can keep my makeup locked without adding any setting spray or anything on top of it. It provides that matte finish. It leaves your makeup looking extremely smooth. You don't have to worry about any blotchiness by the end of your workday. It is designed to prevent those oils from seeping through your makeup. Out of all the skincare stuff that I got, the one that I want to recommend is by far one of my favorites. And this is the 4-in-1 skincare wand. This 4-in-1 skincare wand comes with a serum. The serum has blue tansy, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera. So it is extremely good for people that have sensitive skin. And using that wand, by the 3rd day, I noticed that the fine lines on my forehead were completely gone. It was insane. So this one right here I highly recommend. It is a little bit on the more pricier side, but it is worth it if you're trying to get rid of those fine lines, any dark spots that you may have, or any wrinkles. It does change colors every 3 minutes and provides you a total of the 12-minute therapy. So it is not even a whole long routine at the end of your day for you to do this. So I love this one right here because of this convenience, because it actually works and works fast. If you're looking for something to remove fine lines and help making your skin look more youthful, this is something I would highly recommend. And that serum is so moisturizing that you don't even have to go in with moisturizer after you use it. Now we're gonna get into some home products. One of the things that I was skeptical about, because I didn't know for sure if it worked very well, but it does, is a mug warmer. If you are a coffee drinker and you love drinking coffee, me personally, I'm extremely slow with drinking coffee. So this mug warmer came in handy. A lot of times I pull late nighters, and so this mug warmer was actually a huge benefit to me. So I highly want to recommend this one. It has 3 settings, with the red option being the hottest. And get this mug warmer kept my coffee hot for hours. The most I've used it is for 3 hours, and it kept my coffee just as hot as if I pulled it out of my Keurig machine. It was amazing. When that happened, I was like, you are a keeper. So the mug warmer is definitely a game changer for people that love coffee. Next one is also viral on TikTok. It is the Sweet Furniture Dresser for your bedroom or for home office, etc. I love this one. It came in multiple colors. You can get it in gray and black or the rustic brown. I love this rustic brown color. They got a few different options for this dresser. You can get the 9-piece dresser, 6 bigger drawers at the bottom and 3 regular size one at the top, but these are deep drawers. So you can put your jeans in here. I have hairstyling tools in here. I have basically everything. You can put anything inside these drawers. So I have the 9-piece drawer, and next to my vanity area, I have the 4-piece set in the same color because I just love this option. And it was super easy to assemble. The last product, I must say, this one went viral on TikTok. It is the Sweet Furniture Mattress Topper. Guys, this is probably my #1 favorite thing I've ever gotten from TikTok Shop. I get a lot of products in all the time, but this is by far still my top favorite product. If you wake up with those common body aches and pains from being in your bed, then this is going to be such a game changer for you. My husband loved it, I love it. It's firm, but it's also soft. You can get all the way up to a 3-inch mattress topper, and let me tell you that I've only found it the cheapest on TikTok Shop. They restocked and kept selling out multiple times. It has the gel memory foam. It also contours to your body. The first day I laid this out, I laid it on the floor, and my husband, he ended up laying on it and fell asleep immediately. After sleeping on this mattress topper, the next day I could not stop thinking about getting in my bed, and I never do that. Definitely want to highly recommend that one. In the description of this video, I'm going to link my actual videos that I did for these products that have the actual link of the product in them. So if you decide that you want to grab something, you can easily do that. And if I didn't cover something on a product that you're curious about, you can always drop your question in the comment section. That is it for my haul. I hope this video was very informative and enjoyable. And if you made it to the end of this video, I invite you to like and subscribe so that you can tune in again with me next week. Bye.